Welcome back students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you Fluent Weight. So Fluent Weight is the class which is used to target any single element, or it is used to handle non reproducible bug. So take a scenario, for example, so this is Gmail login page. So you have to verify that these web elements, for example, next is the button. Sometime it will appear within 5 seconds. Second time when we load the page, then it will appear in 4 seconds. Again, when we load the application, it will appear on the web within 3 seconds. So these types of web element you can handle with the help of Fluent Weight. And see, so how we can write down the Selenium script using Fluent Weight. So in Fluent Weight, so we use the with time unit method. So here we can specify the time unit. So see this one practically. So first of all, web driver equals to new Chrome driver, then driver dot get https://www.gmail.com. So here we have to use the Fluent Weight class. So here use this one, Fluent Weight, hit enter. So inside this write down the web driver interface, then variable name fl weight equals to new Fluent Weight. So see, inside this you have to write down the web driver interface, and here you have to give the driver reference. So after that you have to provide the time units to load the page. So for that, use the reference variable dot time unit. With time unit is the method, in that you have to give the duration. So here you have to specify the duration dot of seconds. So here I will give 30 seconds of time to find out any element. Then you have to specify the pooling frequency. So pooling frequency is the method. See here, dot pooling frequency is the method which find out the particular web element in every, for example, if I give the 3 seconds, so we have given the time unit 30 seconds, so it will redirect to the particular element each and every 3 seconds until this 30 second is over. So this is the use of pooling frequency. So it will check after every 3 seconds the particular element or title is available or not. So see here, my intention is I want to find out this title is present or not. Okay, so how to do using Fluent Weight? So for that, Fluent Weight provide until method. In that until method we can use expected condition is the class which provide. So we can title contains methods. So title contains, this is the method. Inside simply give the title. Gmail. And using Fluent Wait, you can ignore no such element exception, or we can see here ignoring. So here simply you can ignore no such element exception, provide the dot class. So like this you can use Fluent Wait to in your script. So we have given the time unit 30 seconds. So after 3 seconds, every 3 seconds it will redirect and check the title is present or not. If sometime the no such element exception occur, it will ignore this no such element exception with the help of ignoring method. So see what will happen when I run this script. Just click on run. So like this we can use it. So it has launched and check.
आई होप आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर करना। तो देखो, चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करने को कुछ पैसे नहीं लगते, तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो यार। तो मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में जल्द ही।